back to another episode on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can get logged into your Publix Passport Employee account. Follow all the steps and watch the video till the end to learn how to do it. Now let's get into the video. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open any web browser of your choice. Now on the URL, search for public.org and press enter on it first. Once you search for it, you will end up to its official homepage, which look like this. Now you have to scroll a bit down. Now tap on the login button and then you will be taken to its login page. Now here you have to type in the Publix user ID or the email address that you have used to create your Publix Passport Employee account. And once you're done with typing in your user ID or your email address, tap on next button. Now in the next page, you have to enter your password. Now if you want to sign in with the PIN or smart card, you can tap on this option and get logged in with your PIN or smart card. Now once you're done with typing in your password, tap on sign in button. Now the user ID or the email address and the password you have typed in are correct, then you will be successfully get logged into your Publix Passport Employee account. So that's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your Publix Passport Employee account. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now that's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.